Want to build a unique and user-friendly navigation menu for your WordPress theme? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add a custom navigation menu directly in WordPress's new site editor, a must-have skill for anyone into WordPress theme development. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, organize, and customize your navigation menu, making it both practical for your visitors and tailored to the look you want for your site. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open up the site editor. This is where all the magic happens. The site editor lets you build and customize your site's templates visually, so you don't have to dig into code for basic changes like tweaking your menu. Now, on the left side or top of your editing screen, you'll see what's called the block inserter. This is essentially your toolbox. Think of it like a giant set of Lego pieces you can use to build out your site. Go ahead and click on the block inserter button. Once it opens up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in navigation. WordPress will instantly filter the list and bring up the navigation block. Drag or just click the navigation block to add it to your header area. The header is usually the top section of your website and is the most common place for a navigation menu. It's important to put your menu here so visitors can easily find their way around your site, no matter which page they're on. When you add the navigation block, WordPress may prompt you to either select an existing menu or create a new one. Let's go ahead and give your menu a unique name. This is super helpful down the road, especially if you want different menus for mobile, footer, or special landing pages. Name your menu something descriptive like main menu or header nav so it's easy to identify later. Click on the navigation menu block you just added. You'll notice options to add links to your menu. To start building it, click the + button inside the block. Here you can connect to existing pages on your site like Home, About, or Contact. Or if you're in a design flow and realize you need a new page, you can actually create it right from this menu. Just start typing and WordPress will offer options to add new or existing pages. Maybe your site needs a dropdown for services or products. In that case, look for the Add submenu icon. It usually looks like an arrow or 3 dots. Click that and a new area will appear under the menu item, ready for you to drop in more links. This is really useful for organizing your website. Think of your main menu like chapters in a book and the submenus as pages within a chapter. For example, if you have a blog in your navigation, you could add submenus for categories like tech news, tutorials, or case studies. You can keep adding links and submenus as your website grows. Don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. Menus are easy to update and you can always rearrange or add more items later. As you're designing, click around and check how the navigation feels. Does it make sense? Is it easy for you to find different sections? If yes, chances are your visitors will feel the same. Once your menu is set up the way you want, make sure to click Save. It might take a few seconds for WordPress to publish your changes. And remember, you can revisit the site editor to tweak your navigation anytime you need. So that's how you add a custom navigation menu in WordPress using the site editor. Whether you're making a simple blog or a complex business site, a clear and attractive menu makes a huge difference. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more WordPress tutorials. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.